Hello guys, welcome to Psychology of Freedom. Ang itatype natin ngayon si David Licauco. Ang mga nag-request niyan, medyo marami-rami. Sila Chris Zamorio, Angelestine, It's Rainen, 6491, tsaka meron pang isa. Sorry, hindi ko alam kung paano ko babasahin yung name niya. So sa inyo guys, thank you so much for requesting this. So, let's go over lang dun sa system na gagamitin natin. So, track natin una yung cognitive functions niya. FITE user ba siya or TIFE? SINE user ba siya or NISE? Interaction style naman niya, direct ba siya or informative? Responding versus initiating? Movement ba siya or control? Then yung temperament niya, abstract ba siya or concrete? Affiliative or pragmatic? And then, systematic ba siya or interest-based? So, dito naman sa type grid, through process of elimination, ina-narrow down natin into just one kung ano talaga yung personality type ni David Licauco. So, ayan. Let's start with this video.
Ito talaga.
As in, start ako ng tipong ako yung nagbubook ng rider. Nasa condo lang kami. Magluto, bababa ako sa rider. Ako magbubook, ako nagpo-post sa Instagram,
Ako yung gumagawa nito, ako yung gumagawa niyan, introverted sensing, what he did in the past.
reply sa IG. Ako nagkawa sa mga suppliers. Dati, mga suppliers, di ba ako pinapansin. Kasi, sino ko ba? Diba? First ever time ko tumawag sa supplier. Tawag kong ganun sa supplier. Sabi ko, hello. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam mga pinagsasabi ko. Mga nakakahiya.
He goes on to share his own experiences.
So, dinecline niya ako. Because of that failure, doon ako natuto. Doon ako nag-aral. Kasi nag-aral ako. Kasi nakita ko eh.
Most of the time, SI users learn from their past mistakes. SE users learn from other people's mistakes.
Nag-aaral ka sa online school.
Yeah. Talagang mas inayos ko. Pag nag-research ako, paano ko sa supplier, mga ganun level. Tapos until sa inayos ko yung brand ko, yung branding, yung Instagram namin, dumami na yung mga
SI, his past experiences, introverted sensing. So, most probably, high sa cognition niya yung introverted sensing.
Siya yung lumapit sa akin. Hey David, okay lang ba pasok ko ulit yung mga products ko? After Sobra Comfort Food, ginawa na namin siyang Sobra Cafe sa Molito, Alabang. Ang concept nun is
After nito, ito yung ginawa namin, shared experience, extroverted sensing.
Parang medyo mga comfort food, mga beef tapa, mga burgers. Baka sinisip ng mga tao na parang everything is given to me.
Baka iniisip ng mga tao, that's extroverted thinking.
Tapos, itong sa UP Town Center.
Ito naman Kuya Korea, nagsimula lang to sa... Kasi super fan ako ng meditation and like living in the...
May pagka-informative siya. Always telling a story. Always giving a lot of information.
So, kwento ko na kung paano nagsimula itong Kuya Korea. So, at that time, hindi talaga ako masyado nagpo-phone. Kasi nga tinatry ko yung, kumbaga, to live in the moment. Kasi yung sinabi sa akin ng mentor.
Hindi talaga ako masyadong nagpo-phone. Introverted sensing. Tapos parang may pagka-movement siya dito.
So at that time, nagpunta ako ng Action Carry, bumili ako ng supplements. May nakita ako isang store na Sangyup in a bowl. Diba? What if nag-phone ako? Phone ako. Di ba minsan, gano'n naman tayo naglalakad. Phone tayo. Hindi ko nakita yun. Wala ito ngayon. Diba? So parang yun lang na, kumbaga yun lang yung lesson for me na.
May pagka-NE. So SINE ulit, extroverted intuition and kind of abstract pero hindi siya ganun kalakas na point. Pero let's put it down for abstract.
Just have to, sometimes, don't use your phone para magkaroon ka ng ideas.
When you say don't use your phone, ano dapat ang ginagawa?
It's not to say na parang never use your phone. Kasi yung phone naman, meron naman good use to it. Pero like, for me kasi I believe na how you start your day is how you live the rest of your day. So like in the morning, I don't use my phone. Because if I do, yung utak ko, magkakaroon siya ng mga dopamine. Tapos kapag ganun, hindi ka maging focused throughout the day. So ako, I only start using my phone after I do my morning routine. Yung kumbaga nandun na ako sa Zen mode. And for me to get to that Zen mode, marami akong ginagawa. Working out, meditation, nag-try to
Ito yung sistema ko in my life. And ito yung routine ko, that's introverted sensing. Yan, parang kind of systematic yung approach niya, di ba? Ito muna yung gagawin ko to get into this, blah, blah, blah.
the book. Tapos, kapag nagawa ko yun, then I can start using my phone. Pero, kumbaga dapat may time lang eh. Hindi yung parang all the time nasa phone ka. Nag-allot lang ako ng time na mag-phone ako, na mag-social media ako.
Again, this is my system that I follow in my life.
Parang may take. But then because of Maria Clara, in-accept ko tong Maria Clara, honestly, wala na akong pera.
Then, nasa
Napagka-introverted thinking yon. This is what's true about me.
Kasi lahat in-endorse ko dito.
ano na nabili or naipunta ni David sa kanyang mga kinikita sa showbiz?
Lahat ng meron akong ngayon is showbiz.
Kung direct ka, pag tinanong kang ano na ang naipundar mo, sabihin mo lang, ito na yung naipundar ko, yung bahay, blah, blah, blah. Pero sa kanya, he's adding more information. That's a sign na he's more informative.
Like, ito watch, nakabili ako ng watch, nakabili ako ng car, nakabili ko ng condo. Everything I have right now is from showbiz talaga. Yeah,
Check pa tayo ng iba pang interview.
from there.
Oo. Ang pangarap mo talaga noon, maging basketball player. Hindi ba yun natuloy dahil you got into a car accident?
Yes. So, magbabarkada kami, high school friends, and we decided to go to Tagaytay. Tapos yung pag-uwi namin, nahit
We decided to, pag-uwi namin, that's extroverted sensing. May kind of, alam mo yun, siguro mataas yung, mataas talaga yung SI niya, SI hero, SI parent, kasi meron pa siya kahit papanong extroverted sensing.
hit namin yung gas truck sa SLEX.
Oh, but you were driving?
No, I was in the passenger seat.
Kind of parang pessimistic SE na hit namin. Kumbaga, pagka sinabi kong pessimistic kasi, he looks at extroverted sensing or what happened, yung shared experience niya, kind of in a negative way.
In front.
Oo.
Medyo parang miracle siya.
Oo.
Kasi I remember, nung nag-backing yung kotse sa Leslie's, di ba yung parking boy, usually nasa side ng driver? Pero for some reason, parang miracle na lang for me, na nandun siya sa side ko. Sabi niya, "Sir, seatbelt lang po ah." Sabi niya ganon. So parang natulog ako kasi I was really sleepy.
Natulog ako, I was really sleepy, introverted sensing, and still, he is informative.
Then, dun sa may toll gate, for some reason, nagising ako bigla. Parang may gumising sa akin. And I remembered what that parking boy
Again, past experiences pa din.
told me. Then I did. Nag-seatbelt ako. You know, like after 10 minutes, along sa may sa may Parañaque, we hit the gas truck. Yeah, so, yun. Miracle lang din talaga.
Pero ano nangyari sa mga kasamahan niyo?
We were
Okay.
5. And then yung best friend ko na namatay siya.
That was a life-changing experience.
Again, very pessimistic, extroverted sensing. Mas negative yung naaalala niya.
Definitely.
David, that's traumatic. That's tragic.
Mm.
Did you think you were gonna die?
At that point, parang wala na akong ibang maisip kung hindi pumunta sa hospital. Because like everyone
Ang tanong ni Karen, did you think you were gonna die? It's a yes or no question, but he answered it directly, telling again the story of what happened. And kind of dito, may pagka-responding siya, wala siyang ini-initiate. And kind of control. Mas control talaga siya dito. He takes his time when answering.
was crying. Like I tried my best to parang help, but I couldn't help anyone because I couldn't even help myself.
And describe your friend.
Introverted sensing.
Who was he?
He was my best friend. He was my neighbor, and we grew up together.
A miracle. You were saved by the Lord.
Yeah, kasi parang feeling ko angel yung gumigising sa akin. Parang si God talaga. Parang, I don't know, medyo baka weird yung sabihin ko, pero parang meron ako nakita that time na parang light. Parang, "Hey David, wake up." Parang gano'n eh. So,
My
parang wear your
gosh.
seatbelt, gano'n. So, our God is amazing. We're so happy.
I'm so
Again, past experience pa din, and then very control, and still responding. Wala siyang ini-initiate na bagong thoughts. Yung mga sinasabi niya, it's just, extra information about na related dun sa topic.
I'm happy you're sharing this. Really. Palagay mo, what's your purpose?
I'd like to think na I wanna serve as an inspiration to the youth, to the fans.
Would you say inspiration? Parang that's more attached to extroverted feeling. It's all about others and inspiring other people.
And to my friends,
Check pa tayo ng iba pang interview.
I think nasa writers din kung paano nila i-perform yung kumbaga yung story, and also sa director din kung paano nila, of course, with the camera angle, the locations also help, di ba? So I think it's not just the both of us. It's a total team effort. And I think with this film naman, everybody was really on point. Like they really did their best, and I think maganda talaga yung pelikula.
Medyo madami yun. Medyo may pagka-systematic. Sabi niya, it's up to the directors then, and yung camera angles, and then, sabi niya, it's a team effort. So, binibigyan niya ng credit yung team. That's how affiliative, di ba? And then, ayun, medyo extroverted feeling pa din.
I think di lang naman yung artista yung dapat magdadala ng lahat eh, 'di ba? I think nasa story, nasa direction ng director, nasa network din. So, ayun, I think I'm super blessed. Like ako, hindi naman talaga ako supposed to be like one of the leading man sa show, but medyo umangat ako nung nandoon dahil din sa writer, dahil din na maganda yung
Giving credit to other people. Hindi siya focus on giving credit to himself na magaling siya as actor, whatever, but he's giving credit to the writer. That's more extroverted feeling, medyo self-deprecating.
Pagkasulat niya sa character ni Fidel, and of course with the help of Barbie kumbaga papakilig ako doon, pero nag-react siya in a way na people really fell in love with. So, yeah, it's not just about me, but also like Barbie, also like everybody. Yeah.
Pero kalakip nun, di ba? Pag sobrang
Very responding. By this moment, alam ko na kung ano talaga yung interaction style niya, informative responding control, more of behind the scene.
na yung kasikatan at yung lakas ng love team, laging may mga intriga.
Siguro pa minsan parang medyo nagiging parang nakakalimutan ko mag-smile. Kasi at that time, may pagod ako, may sakit ako, may sleep apnea ako. So parang, but of course, I really have to like make sure na kailangan kong, mas maging mag-smile palagi. Kasi hindi naman nila alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ko at that moment. And ayun, just have
Mag-smile palagi kasi hindi naman nila alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ko. I have to be proper and not offend people. That's very affiliative. That's an affiliative approach.
Sa'yo, ikaw, may nag-first move na ba sa'yo?
Meron naman, hindi masyadong.
Very control. Makikita nyo how he took his time before he answered the question.
You know, Nelson, I feel like, parang pag-artista ka, tendency, baka naisip ng mga tao na parang, you're a celebrity, na parang, parang masyado kang busy for me, you're in the limelight. But in reality, we're all just the same, eh. Like, alam mo, like, ordinary
We're all the same. Introverted thinking.
lang ako, nagkataon lang na trabaho ko yung showbiz.
Self-deprecating behavior. Sabi niya, ordinary lang ako. Introverted thinking. TIFE.
Kasi parang people are hyping up the artistas, di ba? But the
Yeah,
thing,
that's true.
like we're all the same, So
We're all the same. We're all equal. That's very extroverted feeling. And affiliative. I think okay na to. And also, isang beses ko lang siya narinig na Sabi ko nga, medyo mahina yung point for abstraction, pero more on, mas dominant pa rin yung pagiging concrete niya. So, sure na tayo, SINE, high SI user, and then TIFE, and then yung interaction style niya, informative responding control, and yung temperament niya, concrete, affiliative, and systematic. So, nasang quadra siya? Nandun siya sa NTP SFJ quadra. So, let's check here. Ano yung interaction style niya? Nandun siya sa behind the scenes, mga informative responding control. So, tanggal na yung first, second, and third row. Ayan. So, sabi natin SFJ, NTP. So, tanggal na yung ISFP, tanggal na yung INFP. So, it's between ISFJ and INTP, pero we know na affiliative siya. Hindi siya pragmatic. And hindi rin siya abstract. He's more concrete. All about the what is. So, he can only be an ISFJ. Also known as the defender. Defender. Sino yung maka-personality type niya? Si ex-President Duterte, si Sara Geronimo, I think si Mikey Morada, yung yung husband ni Alex Gonzaga. So, makikita nyo, di ba, nakwento niya, nagkaroon siya ng accident, it's his second life, tapos meron pa siyang sleep apnea wherein he stops breathing during sleeping. So, that's more evident na SI hero siya, napakataas ng endurance. SI heroes are built to endure. Tapos nabanggit din niya during the interview na wala daw siyang maging maayos na tulog for the past parang decade, mga 12 years, mga ganyan. And remember na if you are constantly sleep deprived, that's going to push you more and more to your unconscious. Diba pag unconscious, lesser yung consciousness mo diba? So it's gonna be, it can be a problem. That's why nakita natin na medyo may may FITE siya, meron din siyang SENI. So ayun lang, next time ito-type ko din si Barbie Fortesa kasi na-request din siya and we'll see how compatible they are. So ayun lang, si David Licauco is an ISFJ. So sa mga nag-request, thank you so much for requesting this. And yun, see you sa next video.